All right, I want to practice partitioning objects. So the first thing we're going to look at is we have 16 objects right here. If you count them, 8, 12, 16. So we have 16 objects, and one thing we may want to do when we're partitioning is we're going to separate them into, let's go with 2 equal groups. So I'm going to put my groups here. I don't know if that'll be big enough for all the things I want to slide in. But then what I'm going to do is just place objects in the groups. So I've got 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. Ignore the big giant hands, right? Okay, I'm just making big old piles, putting 1 in each group. Partitioning is dividing into equal groups. Okay, so I've made my piles into those equal groups. So I started with my 16 objects, and then I was breaking them into 2 equal groups. Well, let's figure out how many are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'll bet you anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. So if we divide 16 by 2, we're going to end up with 8. That's what partitioning is. That's how you can use counters to help you partition. You start with a number, then you make however many boxes you want, and then put the counters in each of the groups. We could have done that into 4. And instead of putting them into the 2 spots, we would put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is how you can use counters to help you partition objects.